guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro. This is Shrija over here, and in today's video we're gonna see how to get a free SSL for your WordPress website. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. So now let's get into the video. So this is our website, and here you can see it is marked as not secure. So by getting a SSL to your WordPress website, you will be marked as secure and your visitors will trust your website. So in this video we will see how to get a free SSL on your WordPress website. So we can do this in 5 simple steps. So our first step will be creating an account on website called as Cloudflare. So we'll go and do it creating a website on Cloudflare. So we'll just go to a new tab and let's search for Cloudflare. So you will land on this. So here we'll go to this, click on it, and then you will see a sign up option in the top right corner. Click on it. So now you need to give your email and password and click on create account. So now when you give your email and password, here it will ask you your site name. So give your site name. So this is my site name. So then click add site. So once you click on it, select on free plan, which you can see over here, and click on continue. And now wait for this to load. So once it is loaded, click on continue. And then by this we have successfully completed creating an account and adding our website. So here once you have deleted this and once you have added this name servers on your domain service provider, you can click on done and check name servers. So then you can click on get started. So now you can see automatic HTTPS rewrites. So you need to turn on this in order to get a secure mark on your website. And then so this is your guidelines, a quick start guide. You can click on save this setting and always use HTTPS. Click it on and click on save. And then you can just save your settings according to your needs. And then you're all done with this Cloudflare. We need to install the Cloudflare plugin on our WordPress website. To do this, let's go back to our WordPress website and let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. So now in order to install this plugin, click on plugins and click on add new plugin. So once you click on it, click search for plugin called as your flexible SSL. And then click on install now. So once the flexible SSL is installed, you can click on activate. So it has been activated, and lastly we need to enable our SSL, which we have already done in the Cloudflare. So we have automatically added our HTTPS on, and we have turned on the switch which says always use HTTPS. So now your website will be marked as secured, and it is secured with Cloudflare, and you have got your SSL on your WordPress website. So this is how you can get your free SSL on your WordPress website. I hope you guys all found this video useful to you. Thank you for watching, guys. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to PC Tips Pro.